Hello viewers, here with this video I'm just quickly showing off the collection of the smaller line of the Standard Plus Capcom Figure Builder series, and this is my collection so far. Is this too many monsters? This is quite a lot of monsters here. Yeah, this is quite the collection, and it's only going to steadily grow, but this is a lot. This is quite a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much everything so far. The thing that's interesting is having all of these lined up together and actually kind of comparing the scale between all of them, because there are definitely some large monsters in this set, and some smaller ones. Some of the smaller ones being like Shizuyaku or even Kirin here, but you know, the large monsters still kind of give some room for the smaller monsters to kind of show up, like Kulftaroth, for example, or even Deviljho, while they still stand out in their own right. And of course you have monsters like Velkhana that are kind of suspended in the air, which kind of keeps them above some of the smaller monsters in the back and some of the larger monsters as well. Then yeah, you have some monsters that do take up a bit of sideways room, like Uragaan and, you know, the Bazeljuices. Of course, Xeno'jiiva. I think Xeno'jiiva might be the largest monster out of this whole set. It might be a tie between either Xeno'jiiva or Kulftaroth. In terms of just the area that they take up, they're definitely the largest out of all of these, for sure. Xeno'jiiva has a very large wingspan and has a very long tail here. And Kulftaroth mainly has that really long tail, so it's actually pretty interesting. Deviljho is big, but he's definitely more on the taller side compared to length. So yeah, there's definitely some really big monsters here. But yeah, that's pretty much the video here.